Hey guys, it's Dan here, and getting ready to head home from the lake. Just wanted to wish everybody a very happy new year. Here in Indiana, it's 10 hours away from being the new year. By the time I post this and everything, it'll be a little bit closer. But I hope you all have a wonderful new year. Thank you guys for supporting my channel in 2019. Hopefully you guys support my channel in 2020. Love y'all. Have a blessed day and have a blessed 2020. Just going to kind of add one more thing to that. I'm actually going to go home and put together my Blackstone that I got for Christmas. It's 28-inch Blackstone. If you check my channel out tomorrow, I'm going to try to do an unboxing and an assembly video. Don't know how detailed it'll be, but hopefully it'll be real great. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Once again, have a wonderful 2020.